Meaning of inseparability.
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 Inseparability. Inseparability refers to the concept that in service industries, the production and consumption of services are intertwined, and they cannot be separated from each other. This means that the quality of service depends heavily on the interaction between the customer and the service provider. Unlike tangible goods, services cannot be inventoried or stored, and they are produced and consumed simultaneously. Therefore, the experience of the customer during the service encounter is critical in determining the value of the service, making it essential for service providers to focus on ways to enhance the customer experience.